Hello everybody, this is Mubashir Ali. I am a first year PhD student at University of Bergamo. I am working with Professor Patricia Secandura and my co-supervisor is Dr. Fabio Marotti from EMEA. The title of my today presentation is Big Data and Machine Intelligence in Software Platform for Smart Cities. This is the outline of my presentation. First of all, I will discuss some basic domain concept and identified problem. Then I will present the objective of my research with proposed research question and proposed research methodology. After this, I will also talk about the expected results and evaluation plan of our research, and at the end, I will summarize my presentation. Okay, let's talk about the smart city. The concept of smart city has been widely discussed by industry and academia. We can define a smart city as it is the integration of social, physical, and IT infrastructure to improve the quality of city services. The primary objective of any smart city project is to improve the city infrastructure by making use of ICT and IoT solutions and provide smart services to their citizens. Such services are effective traffic and parking management, safety and security systems, and many other systems. In this section, I will talk about the identified problem. After an extensive analysis of the literature review in public lighting domain, we have observed certain limitation in existing approaches, such as these approaches are rely on a very small amount of historical data. They are also unable to process big urban data intelligently by making use of machine learning and big data technologies. Specifically, if we talk about the application of big data analytics, these are rarely investigated in public lighting domain. In this proposed study, we will intelligently analyze big public lighting data to address different problems, such as anomaly detection by using the application of self-adaptation and big data analytics. Now I will discuss the objective of our research. The primary objective of this research is to design and develop a novel big data analytical framework to support the decision-making process in a self-adaptive smart city software platform, to assist city managers by providing more intelligent city services, and the proposed analytical framework will initially be validated in the public lighting domain. In this study, we will try to investigate the answer of following research question. In the very first research question, we will try to investigate how big data analytics and self-adaptation mechanism can be integrated in a smart city software platform. In the second research question, we will investigate which machine learning and deep learning algorithms are more suitable to support decision making in a self-adaptive smart city software platform. In third question, which big data technology stack and performance metrics are useful for public lighting data analysis will be investigated. In the fourth and final question of the research, we will investigate which artifacts and emerging standards are more useful to provide KPI for smart cities and how these can be quantitatively measured. Okay, now I will explain our proposed approach. This is our proposed self-adaptive architecture which is based on MapK feedback control loop. It is composed of two layers, bottom layer and upper layer. The bottom layer is a managed layer which is composed of Pell managed system, and the upper layer is a managing layer which is based on MapK feedback control loop. And the components of managing layer are knowledge repository. Knowledge repository is composed of an urban big data lake and results produced by the map module and by the analytical framework. Monitor. It is connected to the Pell managed system and composed of static and dynamic data real-time data stream processing, and integration middleware. Analysis. The analysis module analyzes the up-to-date knowledge to determine whether an adaptation is required or not. To support the dynamic adaptation, we have introduced an analytical framework in between the analysis and planning phase of the MapK loop. The analytical framework consists of KPI management tool, machine learning algorithms, and city visualization dashboard. Planning. In the planning component, adaptation options are ranked based on the adaptation goal, and a plan for the highest ranked option is created. The plan is then used by the executor module to adopt the managed system with the help of actuators. Now I will discuss expected results and evaluation plan. Expected outcome of the proposed work are the design and development of an adaptive smart city platform within the existing smart city platform developed by the INEA. Implementation of analytical framework based on machine learning algorithms, KPI identification and evaluation, and analytical data visualization. We will also perform different intelligent analysis on Pell public lighting data such as descriptive analysis, predictive analysis, and prescriptive analysis. Okay, at the end, I will summarize our work. In this paper, we presented the design of our smart city software architecture and highlighted the challenges in existing smart city software platform. We have also discussed the module of our proposed architecture with respect to big data analytics and self-adaptation mechanism that we intend to use, namely the MapK loop. We will evaluate the effectiveness of our proposed approach on a Pell project use case. Thank you so much. This is the end of my presentation.